Good evening, students. You are watching Class 6 Science, chapter number 2, Components of Food, part 2. In the last video, we discussed carbohydrate. In this video, we will discuss some tests. So let's start. Activity 2, Experimental Investigation. Aim to test for starch. What are the material required for this activity? Material required: 2 grams of rice flour, a test tube, water, 10 ml of iodine solution, tray, tissue paper, apple and potato slices. Cut the apple and potato into a slice just before you begin the investigation. Dear students, you have to cut the apple and potato in the slices. So let's start the procedure. Test first. First, take a 2 gram of rice flour in a test tube. Dear students, in a test tube, first we take what? Rice flour plus water and make a solution. Add 5 ml of water in the test tube and make a solution. So understood, dear student? First we take what? 2 gram of rice flour plus water and make a solution. Now second step, in the test tube add 2-3 drops of iodine solution. We know very well for the test of starch we use what? Iodine solution. Now observation, the color of the iodine solution changes from yellow brown to blue black because in the rice flour starch present. So we know very well in the previous chapter we also learned that when the starch react with the iodine solution, it turns into the blue black color. Now inferences: iodine changes color from yellow brown to blue black only in the presence of starch. It indicates that starch is present in the rice flour. Conclusion: rice flour has a starch. Test 2. First, place a slice of potato on a tissue paper placed on the tray. We have to take potato in a slices and on the tissue paper we placed on a tray. Now add a 2-3 drop of iodine solution on the slices. Now we add, for the test of starch we use what? Iodine solution. Now third, observe the change. What is the change, dear students? That change into the blue black color. Explain the reason for the change observed. Dear students, because in the potato starch are also present, so it turns into the blue black color because iodine solution react with the starch and turns blue black in color. Now dear student, turn your page. Test 3. Repeat test 2 but use apple slice in place of potato slice. Now we have to take what? Apple slices. Before you begin the test with apple slices, predict the result and see whether your prediction comes true. Observation: the starch present in the potato slice changes the color of iodine solution to blue black, but the iodine drops on the slices of apple remains yellow brown. It indicates that no starch is present in the slice of apple. Conclusion: the changes of color confirms the presence of starch in the potatoes. Starch is not present in the apples because iodine solution when react with the starch, then it turns into the blue black. If starch is not present in the particular food, so it does not change its color. So now hope you understood the test. Now come to the fat. Fat also provide energy to our body. Dear students, fat gives us more energy than the carbohydrate. For the same amount of food consumed, fat give more energy than carbohydrate. Dear students, we know very well fats are also be called what? Energy giving food. We get fat from both plant and animal sources. Dear student, I just give you example of ghee, oil, butter, milk, meat, and some common food contain fats. Nuts and some seeds are also example of what? Fats. They obtain from the plant and the animal sources. Fat are required for the proper development and functioning of the brain and the nervous system. Now come to the next, dear students. Fats are also required to develop immunity in the children, but too much fat is diet can leads obesity. Dear students, what is the obesity? Dear students, we know very well fat gives us more energy than the carbohydrate. It is more difficult for the body to digest fat. Excess fat is often stored as a body fat. That fat stored in a body cause what? Obesity. Some sources of fat are egg yolk, coconut oil, ghee, butter, meat. Fats can be categorized into saturated fat and unsaturated fats. I just give you example like butter, and unsaturated fat like vegetable oil. Saturated fats, example butter, are usually solid at the room temperature, whereas unsaturated fat, example like vegetable oil, are usually liquid at the room temperature. Dear student, I will show you picture of fat: coconut oil, egg yolk, butter. Now come to the next part, proteins. Proteins are building blocks of human body. Dear students, food rich in proteins are called what? Building blocks food. They are required for growth and repair of worn out the tissues. Dear students, these are necessary for the growth and repair the body. That's why the growing children, pregnant women, and the people recovering from the illness need what? Protein diet. We get proteins from both plant and animal sources. I will give you example of plant. The best source of plant protein are beans, soya beans, kidney beans, nuts, almond, cashew, groundnut, pulses, gram, moong. These cereals like maize and wheat are example of what? Plant proteins. And animals protein, some of best source of animal proteins are like meat, fish, egg, milk product like cheese, paneer, curd. Dear students, they are obtained from the animal sources. Beans, dal, wheat, sprout, meat, fish, milk, and cheese are protein rich foods. I will show you pictures, dear students. Milk, sprouts, and fish, sources of protein. So hope, dear students, you understood these paragraphs, and you have to read this paragraph thoroughly. Thank you, students. Stay home, be safe.